YouTube. I'm here with the unboxing of Bellami clip-in extensions, the Boo-Gatti, which is 340 grams and 22 inches long. First of all, it comes in this nice box, as you see. It comes with this nice brush. And 2 wefts of hair. The thicker part is in here, and this is the smaller part. It's 120 grams in this one. It has the warranty on the back, so once you open it, that's it. It's void. Can't return it. I got the color 1B. Came in this net. The hair feels so soft. I've never ordered from Bellami, so this is a first for me. Normally I make my own clip-ins, so hopefully it's worth the hype. But so far, it looks really good. It feels nice. And then this one is the bigger weft, which is 220 grams. I'm gonna do another video after I install it, but I just wanted to show an unboxing of it because soon I'm moving and I'm not gonna have any time. Ooh, this is a lot of hair. I love it. Soft, beautiful. I've heard a lot of different reviews on the Bellami hair, so I decided to go with the Boo-Gatti because it's the longest. And normally when I make my clip-ins, I do 22 inches, but I can only sew so much hair on the clips, so it's like only 200 grams of hair, and I wanted something like thicker, like you know how when girls get their sew-ins and stuff, kind of like that. So that's why I went for thicker. They also have a new type of hair out with the seam that's smaller, so it will be flat on your head, I heard, but I decided to go for these. Maybe next time, if this hair is worth the hype, I'll get those. But yeah, this is the hair. I think I'm gonna love it. I hope I love it because the clip-ins I make myself, the hair lasts over a year. And that's with True Glory Extension Company in Atlanta, Georgia. So hopefully it's worth the hype. This is the hair all brushed out. I definitely think I'm gonna install it tomorrow because I am loving it and I know this is about to look bomb. And also, one more thing before I go. Forgot to tell you, this also came in the box. It's so you can store your clip-in extensions. This was the tester piece that you try before you open up the packs of hair. And you just hang it in there so your hair can be fresh when you go on your trip or wherever, or hang it in the closet when you're done, because I doubt you want to sleep in this at night. But yeah, that's that. That's cute. Before, it used to come with a gold bag and a gold little brush, but I think they changed all that. But now it's a black one. These are the pieces you get with the Boo-Gatti extensions. You get 2 2-pieces, 2 4-pieces, and 2 3-pieces. And you get the clip that's for volume. I noticed in my box, my tester piece was my second 2-piece. Normally, people get the tester piece and they get 2 of these. They only gave me the tester piece and 1 of these. So that's one thing I noticed once I separated the hair, which kind of sucks because I could have used that little extra piece. but I guess it is what it is. But that's the hair. Anyways, I just want to come and show you that unboxing. I'm new to YouTube. I want to make more videos, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll make more videos. Thank you.